We find Sonic and friends searching for Dr. Eggman.
He's not in here.
This is ridiculous.
Why are we searching again?
Don't worry, Sonic. Look what I found.
What is that?
I don't know, but it looks cool. Finders keepers.
Quit fooling around, Tails. Eggman could be around here somewhere.
And he could be right.
Sonic thinks I'm right. Sigh.
Like in that building?
Good eye, Cream.
And it's just my first day.
Hey, it exploded.
I must be a jinx.
What's that in the sky? Who's that?
It's a good thing I got out of there. Wait, I can't fly. That stupid bonehead forgot to give me the power to fly. Ah!
Look, she's falling. We gotta save her. I'll save her. Sonic to the rescue.
There he goes, saving a person he doesn't know.
But that's his job, right? I hope that hedgehog catches me.
I got her. Don't worry, I gotcha. Ah!
Hey, you saved me. Thanks.
No problem.
Now where are we?
Ow, my head. I think your extra weight triggered a trap door.
You're right.
How do we get out? There is no exit.
Yes, there is.
Where? I don't see an exit.
Hold that thought.
Whoa!
And now there is. Come on.
Looks like your hole leads to...
Eggman's underground base.
Well, someone could use a decorating tip or two. Come on,
Ah!
I know a shortcut.
Hold on. How do you know how to get out of here?
We'll talk about that later. In the meantime, look behind you.
Look behind me.
Destroy.
Run!
Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
Hey, we're not intruders. We're hedgehogs. Well, sort of.
Come on!
Well, I'd love to stay and chat, but I've gotta go. Bye.
Destroy intruders.
The chase is on.
That robot's pretty fast, too.
Fast, but not pretty. Oh no, a dead end!
Don't worry. I'll take care of this.
What are you, nuts? Eggman's robots are dangerous.
Destroy.
Take this.
Ow.
What a whippy robot. Yeah!
Hey, it's Chocola.
Chahula?
Gotcha. This is Chocola. My friend Cream has a chow, and this is his twin.
Twin chows, huh?
But why would Dr. Eggman kidnap Chocola?
You'll never find out, Sonic.
Dr. Eggman! Whatever you're up to, you'll never get away with it.
That's what you think, you meddling swine.
Swine? Why I oughta... We've gotta get out of here!
I'm right behind you. Sonic.
Right. That's my name. All this time we were running around and we don't even know our names.
I'm S&T. Nice to meet you, Sonic.
Okay, enough of the introduction. Let's go.
Like I said, I'm right behind you. Here we go.
What are you getting?
Just a little something. Yep! You know, a cage is so medieval times. That's not what I meant! We've got to get out of here!
But I just said that 8 panels ago.
Darn! A dead end!
Another one? Why don't you bust another hole in the wall?
I can't, because the wall is made of plexiglass.
But the ceiling isn't.
Sonic, you're a genius!
I am? I mean, of course I'm a genius. A super cool genius.
We've got to bust a hole in the ceiling.
Okay, I'm not a genius. But I'm still cool.
I called you a genius because you gave me an idea.
We have to bust a hole in the ceiling?
Yep.
I was just kidding.
Sonic, can you throw me on the ceiling?
I don't want to hurt you.
Don't worry, I'll be okay.
Just be careful, SNT. I hope she knows what she's doing.
I hope this works. Yes!
That's really impressive and all, but how do I get out?
Don't worry, Sonic. I've got it covered. Hopefully this will make me fly. This has got to work. Hey, my tails grew.
What's taking you so long? Are you making a rope or something? Not now, I'm busy. Aw, man, not another one!
Intruders captured.
Hey, let me go!
Oh, no you don't! That'll teach you to mess with my friends! Come on, Sonic, let's get out of here!
How?
Like this!
Cool! You can fly?
I can now! Hey, Sonic, can I stay at your house?
What's wrong with your house? Oh, don't worry, you can stay with me!
Really? You know, you're kinda cute.
Well, Choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo. Sitting in, Hey! That's not funny! Never mind, let's just go to my place. Come on, SNT, follow me!
Okay.
So that's where my project is hiding.
Sorry, Doctor. We couldn't destroy the intruders. They're fast.
I'm very disappointed in you letting Sonic get away.
Please, don't throw us in the pit of destruction.
Oh, I wouldn't do that. Okay, maybe I would.
No.
Now back to planning my next blow.
Sonic's underground cave.
Whoa! Cream, you had to put in a slide?
Sonic, you're back! Sonic, I missed you so much!
Whoa!
Ah!
Oh, I'm sorry, Sonic.
That's okay, SNT.
Huh? Hey, Sonic, who's your friend?
Guys, meet SNT.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Tails. I'm Sonic's best friend.
Hi, I'm Cream, and this is Cheese. Choo!
Wait, you're Cream?
Yeah, why? Choo!
I found a friend of yours.
Choo! Chocola! Choo! Choo choo!
Hey, you haven't told me your name yet.
My name is Amy. So happy to meet you.
Oh, okay. Hey, Sonic, where do I sleep?
Whoa! Who said you could stay here?
Sonic said so.
I don't believe you.
Sorry, Amy, it's true.
What? Isn't this great, Amy? You finally have someone your own age to hang out with. Ew, Amy, you didn't see me, Amy. Sheesh.
Hey, Amy, what you doing?
Oh, nothing.
You know, your friend Sonic is kinda cute.
Cute?
Yeah, something tells me girls crush on him.
Crush?
He's very nice, too. You might even call him boyfriend material.
Boyfriend? She's not thinking what I think she's thinking. Now listen up, Miss Missy Miss. Let me lay down a few rules. Sonic is mine. Got it? Mine. So don't even think about it.
Think about what?
You know what I'm talking about. Dating Sonic.
What? Dating Sonic? That's too funny.
Don't play dumb.
Really, I wasn't thinking about that. Honestly.
Right. I'm still gonna keep an eye on you. Got it?
Okay. Sheesh. Somebody's a little jealous of the new girl.
Come on, SNT, let me show you around, Sonic style.
Okay.
I'll give you the grand tour.
Right behind you.
Hey, she didn't even listen to me. Ugh, this girl is gonna put a dent in my relationship with Sonic. Fine, I'll just have to fight back, and I will win! Oh yeah, mark my words, SNT. You have met your match!
I can hear you.
Hey, what's that?
What? What is it? Amy?